Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss most unique fact about Queen Elizabeth II. So let's start the video without waste time.
The Queen celebrates two birthdays.
The Queen celebrates two birthdays. She has an official birthday that is celebrated on the range of dates in different countries of Commonwealth of Nations. The second is her actual birthday, the 21st of April. The day she was born in 1926, the Queen preferred to celebrate her actual birthday privately in her family circle. But the official one is a national day marked by a parade and mass celebration.
The material of its crown. The imperial state crown is composed of an astonishing open network gold frame, almost 3,000 diamonds in silver mounts, 17 sapphires, 11 emeralds, and about 270 pearls. Not only that, but there is also a large diamond in addition to some rubies and sapphires that embellish the front and back, one of the most famous crown in history. Its weight is about 3 pounds. The Queen Elizabeth preferred to wear very bright color. Conservative in dress, Queen Elizabeth preferred to add little more color to her clothing. Thus she often can be seen in public wearing clothes of bright color. Fuchsia, lemon yellow, light blue. I can't wear big color clothing because nobody can recognize me like that. She once explained to one of her staff members the choice of bright color for the queen clothes is determined not only by her taste and style but also by the fact that it is easier to recognize her in a crowd. The Queen does not need to passport to travel, as a British passport is issued in the name of Her Majesty. It is unnecessary for the Queen to possess one when travelling overseas. It will be enough to show a coin or banknote with her image, but even that is not required in a real life. It should be noted that this exception does not extend to other royalty. All other members of the royal family have a passport. She is one of the very few people in the world who does not need to have an official identity document. Their marriage is based on love. Back in 1934, Elizabeth attended the wedding of Philip's cousin and met the young man himself, who was 5 years older than her. Then 5 years later, right before World War II, Elizabeth saw 18-year-old Philip again and immediately fell in love with him. Since that time, she could not think of anybody else except for Philip. During World War II, while Philip was serving as a Royal Navy officer and second stayed in love, were exchanging letters with each other. When Philip came back, he proposed to her. You can't turn your back to the Queen. If you ever have a chance to talk to the Queen, make sure that after your conversation is over, she is the first to walk away. You can't turn your back on a monarch. It is considered to be a very rude violation of royal protocol. This is really a very nice and unique fact about Queen. She can drive car without a license. The Queen is only person in the UK who has this right. Even during World War II, when she served as a mechanic driver of an ambulance, she has been driving without a license since then. Eyewitnesses who saw the Queen driving noted that Elizabeth II was not wearing a seat belt. She does not need to pass any driving test or take driving lesson. Nevertheless, she is very good at driving. Everyone follow the Queen. According to the royal etiquettes, everyone should follow the Queen leads during official gathering or family events. For example, when she stands, everyone has to do same. You are also supposed to stop eating when the Queen stops eating. The everyone follow the Queen's rules is even applied to Queen Elizabeth's husband, Prince Philip. He always had to stand or walk a few steps behind his wife. Wear a hat in the morning and a tiara in the evening. Headwear take a special place in the royal dress code. Royal women have to wear a hat for official events during a day. After 6 p.m., tiara and family jewels should be worn. However, this rule applied only to married ladies. So the next time you are at evening reception at Buckingham Palace, remember that women without tiara are searching for a soulmate. She is exempt from freedom of information request. In the UK, as in most countries, there is a freedom of information system that is allow the press and public to ask any kind of question. But the royal family used its power to block this law from expanding on them. Simply put, they are absolutely free not provide any private information. I hope this video improved your knowledge and you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this video.